potato, the tool to push the potato in, the propellant, the safety glasses. So, I'm going to cut the potato, I'm going to put it at the end there, and you're going to shove it in with this. Like this. And we cut it here. Oops. More. Okay. Now come here. Okay, vas-y. Go. Start pushing. Okay. Okay, push. All the way in. More. Okay, all the way. It has to go all the way to the end. Okay. Push. Okay, stop. So you will pull the trigger.
I know.
Hold it. So we open this.
I'll hold it.
So the propane is dense, so it's going to go deep in. So then we tilt it back so the propane comes back down to where the spark is going to be, which is here. And now
You could turn it over. You could turn it down so that the
yes,
sparks at the bottom.
good idea. We turn it this way. Go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, we're going to put some more.
Okay.
Not enough propane?
Not enough propane.
The problem is that we didn't vent it. Vent the fumes.
Why do you need to vent the fumes?
It needs air and gas in there.
It won't work unless you fume to get all the fumes
Okay.
out. Is it out?
All right.
All out?
So I check if there's nobody over there.
Nobody. All good?
Go.
Yeah. On a même plus la
Non,
patate.
on va aller.
Je crois qu'on a tué un oiseau. A bird hit my flying potato. Flying Mexican food. Aim.
Okay.
Aiming. Ready?
Yeah.
Fuck. Somebody's coming.
Hello.
Hi.
Hey.
So, I heard your big boom last time. I thought it was a gun.
It's
That's not a gun.
I know what it is. Probably don't want to do that here. Really, the Rangers, I was caught when I was a kid. The Rangers don't like it at all. So
Even in the woods like that?
yeah. So because it's a parkland and it's protected, and it could be felonies. So you don't want to use this. I see you've been watching people on the trail and trying to do it when they're not here. But if the Rangers do catch you, it's big trouble.
Okay.
Okay, just letting you know, I'm not a ranger, so I just come to the park a lot. Okay.
All right.
All right. Well,
Thank you.
have fun anyway.
Okay.
Alright, thanks.
Bon, on va laisser évaporer celui-ci parce que maintenant que on était à filmer, les gars.